what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing and also we're going to be installing this electronic door lock. So this one I got it from Amazon. Now, so I have a keypad lock already on my door, and I have a just normal handle that you have to push down with your thumb and then you open the door. But I'm having a little trouble my daughter to open the door because it's a little hard, so I decided to get a door lock with a handle. So hopefully it's gonna be better for her, and so that way, because I believe this one, after you close the door, is locks automatically. So let's see what we have in the box and let's go ahead and put it on the door. So on here we have warranty certificate, we have a quick setup guide, we have a template, and then we have the installation and user guide. I believe I got this one, but it's on silver. I got this one here on top, and we have all the installation procedures. Okay, now on the installation and user guide, it tells us the package contents. We have a front panel, which is the one with the keypad. We have the rear panel, which is this one on the back. We have the two handles right here. We have the latch, we have the strike plate, we have a plastic box, we have a key card. Where's the key card? I have to look for the key card. Oh, they're right here. We have two key cards, so I think with this you can scan it, almost scan it, or tap it to your keypad and it'll open also, so it's a good thing. We also have the keys. I need to look for the keys. They're right here. Two keys. We have two keys. We also have two key cards. Of course, the instruction manual, the template, some gloves. I don't know where the gloves are. We have a hex key and some screws, which they are here. Screws and the hex key. Yeah, I don't see the gloves. I don't think it comes with the gloves. That's okay. Alright, guys, so the next step, it would be use a paper template to draw lines and open holes in the door. If you have a new door, then you will definitely need to use the template, and you can do the hole on the door. But since my door already has the hole, we won't be needing the template. And so now this plastic box, now I know that it is to mark the upper and the lower ends of the lock. But since, like I said, my door already has everything done, we won't be needing this. Okay, the next step will be installing the latch, and it is telling us to, if your door opens from the right, you gotta put the handle this way, and if your door opens from the left, you gotta put the handle on this side, and we have the hinges this side. So gotta do the latch, and then it also has a stud right here on the middle. And it's telling us to do, it says that it's recommended to install the stud and open the hole on the door. But I don't want to do that, and it says if you don't want to do this, you don't have to, because I don't want to do another hole on my door. And besides, it doesn't seem like really needs it, because it doesn't move. Once we put the screws on here, I think it'll be secure enough. So after we do that, we're gonna put the front panel, and then we're gonna put the batteries on the back of the panel. We are going to need 4 AAA batteries. I thought they were AA, but we need AAA batteries. Okay guys, so this is my current lock. This is the top one, the one that I was talking about, that has the keypad, and this is the one that I'm having trouble, so I'm gonna switch for that one. You know, it closes fine. You know, I don't have no issues. But you come from the front, kind of have to press kind of hard to open it. And for my daughter, it's a little bit hard. Sometimes my wife has a little issues. For me, I don't mind, but you know, we're gonna switch it anyway. So the way that this one works, we have 2 bolts on here, and then we have also 1 more here. I don't know what I'm gonna do, because there's gonna be a hole here. Gotta put something to cover it. But let's go ahead and take this one out so we can go ahead and put the new one. Now looking at it, guys, it's not going to work. No, it might fit. Yeah, it might work. Yeah, I thought that because looking at this, well, it's almost the same size. Let's go ahead and try it. Might be too close together. Let's see. Let's take this one out and see if we can make it work. But if it doesn't, I'm gonna have to get a lock for the top part. Okay, this is the one from the bottom. Gotta find a way to cover that hole. Okay guys, I was thinking of taking out this latch, but I think I'm gonna use the same one that is already in there. That way I don't have to take anything of this apart. Okay guys, so it does fit in the old latch, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the same one. And as you can see, you have to be paying attention to these wires because it has to come all the way through. That way you can connect it with the back part of the keypad. And as you can see, it did fit. So we're gonna leave that one in there for now. So now let's go ahead and put the back of the keypad. Okay guys, before we put it on, we're gonna go ahead and put the batteries. We're gonna remove this lid on the back, and we're gonna go ahead and put 4 batteries, AAA. And on the manual, it says to put the stud, you know, before the batteries. But like I said, I'm not gonna do that because in case if I have to remove it, I'm gonna leave the door with a hole, and I don't want to do that. So I'm not gonna put it on. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and connect these 2 wires together. We're gonna go ahead and put it all the way back, and we're gonna go ahead and put the bolts on there. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so we got the front part and the back part together, and as you can see, the front, it automatically locks. You can open it from behind, and I don't know if you heard, as soon as I connected, it made a sound, so that means the batteries are good. Next thing is to put the handles on there. Okay, now on the handles, let's say that you want to use this side, you can always do this, but if you don't want to see this, you're gonna have to use the other one. And then the bolt is gonna be on there. Now if it's on this side, same thing. If you don't want to see the bolt, you're gonna have to use the other one. So as you can see, one has it on the top and the other one has it at the bottom. Depends on what side you're using. Okay, the rear is ready. Now on the front side, this is where the keyhole is, and just in case that you run out of batteries or for whatever reason you need to use the key, you're gonna have to remove the handle, and this is where the key entry is. Okay, now if you need to use the key, you're gonna go ahead and introduce the key, and as you can see right now, it doesn't open. So when you turn the key this way, and you can open it now. Because now on the back, there's the setup button, and it says here that to set it to factory settings, you need to press the switch for 5 seconds. And also on the front, we have a USB interface, and you can use that temporarily to charge the bank. I guess it has a battery. I guess it has an integrated battery, just in case that you don't have the key and you don't have the batteries are gone. You can use this USB-C to charge it, and or maybe not charge it, but you can have temporarily power to your keypad. Okay, so I reset it because I was pressing the numbers and didn't do anything. So I reset it to factory settings. Now it says that the password length is 4 to 8 numbers, and then the factory password is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then we're gonna press the number button and it should open. So let's go ahead and try it. I'm not gonna close the door. I don't want to be locked outside, but if you want to do that from the outside, go ahead and take your key and your Allen wrench. So we're gonna do 1 2 3 4 5 6 number, and it's open, and now it's automatically locked. Now it also says that if you enter the incorrect password for 5 times, or the key card for 5 times, and the keyboard will be locked for 1 minute, and the system does not respond to any operation within the period, and it will automatically unlock after 1 minute. So if you enter the code incorrectly for 5 times, it's gonna shut down for 1 minute. After that minute, you can go ahead and try it again. So now we're gonna go ahead and add an administrator. We're gonna press the asterisk, number 1, number symbol, 1 through 6, number symbol again, enter new administrator password, number again, new administrator password again, and then the number key again. Let's go ahead and try it, see if it works. Okay, so what you do, you're gonna press this key, then number 1, then this key, then you're gonna do 1 2 3 4 5 6, this key, You're gonna enter your new number, whatever number you want to choose, 4 to 8 numbers. Then you're gonna press this key again. You're gonna enter your new password again, and then you're gonna press this key again, and it should be ready to go. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and add the key card. So as of right now, this is what happened. So we're gonna go ahead and add the key card. It says here we're gonna press the asterisk, we're gonna press number 1, pound, your new password, pound again, and then we're gonna have the key close to the reading sign. It says reading sign, but I don't see a reading sign anywhere. Just gotta keep it close to the keypad, I guess. Okay guys, so I guess that's pretty much it. Alright guys, well there you have it. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you on the next video.